Nancy with On Point TV. Welcome to another Ask Nancy session. So we took some of the questions from our YouTube visitors, and this question comes from Gail L. Gail writes, when talking about your ironing board, you mentioned the material you used. I couldn't understand what you said, and I thought that was cute, which means I was probably talking too fast. It sounded like Bonash, reflecting ironing board surface. Could you please clarify what that material is? It is from Bonash, B-O-N-A-S-H. Really fabulous company. They make really cool ironing board covers, ironing board cleaners. They make adhesives and foils. Really, really fun stuff if you go looking for Bonash. But let's talk about the ironing board itself. This is what we call in quilting world a big board. So it is 22 by 60 inches, and it usually has a little lip on the bottom. Now you can usually buy these like at quilt shows and stuff, but if you have somebody in your family that is really handy with saws and hammers and things like that, which FYI, I don't have that in my family, so I bought mine from a friend. You get one of these big boards made. Makes a huge difference when you're working on quilts. The intention is that it go on top of your regular garment ironing board. So a garment ironing board, the one that you're all used to, has that pointy end that comes down. That's because that's really handy when you're making or pressing garments. Not really handy when you're working on quilts. What's handy when you're working on quilts is that it be a nice, wide, long, flat surface. So Bonash has come up with these covers that go on top of the big boards. It's self-adhesive, it sticks down right onto your big board, and the reflective surface reflects the heat back up so you iron or press faster. Everything dries a little bit faster, and it has a slight non-stick surface to it. So very helpful tool in your studio. So see if you can get yourself a big board, whether or not it goes on your ironing board or on top of the table, whatever the case may be, and consider covering it with a Bonash reflective cover. I hope you like that idea. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to send your questions to Nancy at OnPoint-TV. Subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss any of our shows.